So welcome back, guys. I'm about doing trade breakdown on btcusd. So here's what I'm currently seeing on my 4-hour time frame. I had a break of this trend line. So upon the break of this trend line, I saw price reject off here and return back to this trend line. But upon seeing that, I went to my 15-minute time frame to look for entries. Yes, to look for entries. And then I saw price reacting off of my psychological level of about 15 of about 15,000, 115,500. And not just that, it gave me one of my favorite chart patterns, the W pattern. You can see the first leg of the W right here, the second leg, and then this confirmed the move. So upon seeing this, I went in long because I knew that whenever price breaks a trend line, there will always be a return to the trend line before it continued to the upside. So as price rejected off here and came to this psychological level, I knew that yes, we are in for the long. And then this W pattern confirmed the long, and I went in for the long on BTC USD, my favorite pair. So you can see where my take profit was, about this level, and you can see what happened. You can see how price busted to the upside, and upon this reaction on the psychological level, I added in more positions. Yeah, I scaled in wisely. It's not about scaling in based on emotion. I scaled in because structure permitted scaling in. Already this trade, this first position I called at the bottom here, was already at break even, and then price rejected off here, and upon seeing this candle week rejection, I added more position, and you can see how price did. You can see how price did. Price busted off this zone and then reacted and still went in. So that's currently what I saw on BTC USD, and how I made profit of about 15 US dollars on my 10 US dollar account. So that's how I'm getting to scale up gradually. And if you gain value from this video, like, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. And always remember, today's a new day to become a better you. So trade smart and trade scatter, and I'll see you in the next one.